Morning everyone, how are you? Oh, I am so excited. Today it's a box swap day and it's a box from my wonderful friend James over at Palz. So join me at the side of the intro and let's see what goodies he's sent me in my box. Hit it, maestro! Excited to do this. Right, if you're not following James or watching James, down in the description below I'll link a couple of his favourite videos that my favourites, and I'll take you straight to his channel. You can watch him. He's a fantastic fella. His girlfriend Taylor sometimes makes an appearance, and his two beautiful daughters. And he's a real family man, and yeah, we've become really good friends. And he said, "Do you fancy doing box swap?" I said, "I'd love to." So yeah, so he has sent me this huge box. So there's just the two of us. So down below I will link the actual video of him opening my box, so you'll be able to see that as well. But go and check him out. He's really, really wonderful, and he's a really kind man. So yeah, go and check him out and go and see what I sent him. It's a theme box. You'll know now because he's obviously recording it and we're uploading it. But yeah, I had a lot of fun because buying for James, oh my word, I don't know what it is, but for when I've ever done other YouTube box swaps, it's always been for ladies that have got a long list of princesses. James likes two things. So Haunted Mansion and Wreck-It Ralph. So it made it a little bit trickier, but I think I did all right. So you go and check that out and see if you think he likes his box. Anyway, let's open this. Shut up, Karen, let's open this. I've got my knife. Right, and James is over in Nevada. He's in Vegas. Oh, James, that's beautiful. Where do I start? Now, you see, this is one of James, Wreck-It Ralph. You see, he's even got Wreck-It Ralph paper. See, come on. Oh, that's really nice. I've got some patches here. And press patch on a dry, smooth surface. Or so on. Oh, isn't that fab? Look at those. You've got Maleficent. You've got the Queen of Hearts, Ursula, and is that Snow White's apple? Oh, James, I love these. I've never had any. And you can actually just put them on, remove the backing paper and press the patch firmly on almost any clean, dry, smooth surface. I didn't know that. I thought you had to iron them on or sew them on. So I can actually put that on my box upstairs. Oh, those are really lovely. Thank you. They're really, really lovely. I love those. I love those. Right, what else have we got in here? Oh. See, what he's done is he's wrapped it in bubble wrap. But he's wrapped it up and then wrapped it up in bubble wrap. And by the looks of it, James is like me, he likes sellotape. I always do it so people can't get in, I'm terrible. Right, what's this? He said he'd sent me some snacks. Is this a snack? I love Disney snacks. And he's just been to Disneyland, so... No, he didn't get me snacks. Not in this box. Oh, James. Oh, yay. I've not had any of these. Oh wow, right. I've got some current mood pins. We've got to open them, haven't we? I've not had any. Now, I'm really hoping, really hoping I'll get the stitch one. So that's what's on the back. Oh, this is cool, this is. And because James is all about pins, I should have known, shouldn't I? So you've got on the back there, you've got Sebastian, Cheshire Cat. You've got Pumbaa. You've got Thumper, you've got Tiana as a frog, you've got Abu, Stitch, Hercules and Phil, you've got Queen of Hearts, and the last one is Jiminy Cricket, yawning, lying all out, and they're all different moods. So if I could choose, I would like Thumper, Sebastian, Abu and Stitch. I think that's who I would like. Right, so didn't realise we'd be doing a pin unboxing, so as we do with all good pins, we throw them. Right, so as Roxana says, we're doing the Karen. If you throw your bag, you're doing the Karen. See, now this is me. This is me trying to get to someone on the phone, and it's an automated system and they don't want to give you a people. You know that feeling? I am most definitely angry, the Red Queen of Hearts. Oh, do you get like that as well when we get automated systems and not people? Oh, isn't she fun? That's so funny. That honestly must be the colour I go. Okay, so it's Pumba, and Pumba's crying. This is me when I get through to a person and they don't give me what I want. This is definitely it. Look at that, him crying. That's so funny. That's so funny. And when the kids were really little, we used to love Timon and Pumbaa in The Lion King. We really, really did. Just their relationship, I think it's so special. Right, new box. It's not doing very well, are we? Right, will there be different pins? James, did you mix up the mix? Woo! Right, next one. Let's open this, see what we got. Well, that's not a good start. I've got another Queen of Hearts. So, will it have another Pumbaa? That is a question. No, it's not Pumbaa. One of my favourite videos is when James actually tries to be Stitch and he pulls his eyes down, and it's on his new intro. So yeah, and it's like current mood. And this is me when I'm sat editing and I click on the wrong button and I have to start the edit again. Yes, it does happen, and that is my face for sure. I love that. I love that. Oh, those are really nice. I really like those. I wasn't going to collect those, but now I... James. Right, what else have we got in here? Right. Oh, there's a card! Okay. Ah, see, I should really look. Oh, isn't that lovely? Wonderland Gallery card. And he's put on here, greetings Karen from Las Vegas. When writing letters, I often cannot think of what to say until I start. I'm the same. First, I just want to tell you how very grateful of our friendship that we share. Thank you for keeping me company at work. I will explain that. Taylor, I will explain that. I hope you enjoy your items. It's all from Disneyland. Hope to do this again soon. Your pen pal, James. James has a graveyard shift at work in Vegas, but because he's 8 hours behind, when I wake up at 8 AM, it's midnight there. So through the early hours, you know, sort of 12 till 4, whatever you, we chat a lot, and it keeps him awake. Yeah, and look what he sent me. I don't know how long ago you had these made, James, but I am very impressed. And he had some badges, look, and it's his Pin Pals badge, that's his logo. So isn't that special? He sent me one. Oh, James, that's lovely, thank you. That's going to go pride of place on my board. It's beautiful. And on the back it's got Pin Pals. Oh, that's lovely. That's really lovely. Oh, James, thank you. Thank you. So I'm opening everything in the wrong order, which for me is like nothing unusual, is it? Right. So, what's in here? Right. This is lovely. James, you know, I adore crispy treats. I don't know what it is. We've got Rice Krispies in the UK, and we've made chocolate Rice Krispie cakes, but there's just something. I think it's because I mix it with marshmallow, and that's not something we typically do here. But I've got a box of the marshmallow rice cereal cakes. Oh, I'm so thrilled. And there's 4 in here, so they must be really big. They must be a good size then, mustn't they? Oh, that's perfect. Thank you, James. That's lovely. Right. What's in this little one? I didn't know they'd still got these. My friend Dana over at the Mouse Diva, she's got these, and it's the Happiest Cruise, which is the Small World figurines. And there's the limited release there on the back. These are really lovely. I didn't know they still had these. Right then, shall we see? And for if you don't know, if you've just come over from James's channel, I've got a real affinity to It's a Small World, and it really only happened at Christmas. We did the Walking Walt's Footsteps tour at Disneyland, and as we were going round, we went on the It's a Small World ride, and they told me that basically the date that Walt opened the ride was my birthday. But it wasn't just my birthday, it was the actual day I was born, and that was the last ride he ever opened. So to me, it's just so incredibly special. It's like a connection. So anything Small World I just adore. So it's in a little blind bag. Let's see what we've got. We've got now, I could say this is me after a cup of tea that's a bit laced with something, maybe. It's a French can-can girl, look at that! I'm sure we've all tried to do that when we were younger, doing all the high kicks and what have you. Oh, I'd love to be able to do that, but isn't that lovely? Oh, James, that's lovely, thank you. I can't believe we've got one of these now. So let's put her behind me. There you go. And still there's more, right. So we've got 2 more things in here, and they're connected. I think they're connected. Oh no, he's glued it on. Well, sellotape. Sellotape, is that glue? Right, so I'm going to do this one first. I love this wrapping paper. Ah. Oh, James. Oh. Taylor, don't look. I love chocolate covered pretzels, yay! And I think what it is for me, it's milk chocolate. And these are the big ones. And what I love about these is they're salty with the chocolate. So it's like salty caramel. And this, the salt with the chocolate, I adore it, but look. Thank you. I love those. I love those. Yeah, I really love those. So I'm going to have a party tonight. I'm not inviting anyone though. Right, and then there's this. And look, he's done a little bow out of Wreck-It Ralph. Oh, right. It feels like material. James, you could have given me a bit of warning. I thought it was inside the bag. Right, what's this? What's this? Oh, I can't believe it. I love Ratatouille. I can't, James, I can't believe it. I've never seen these. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's really, really beautiful. Oh, isn't that wonderful? And you've got the inspector down at the bottom. You've got Gusto. Oh, look. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. You do realise Phil think I'm going to start cooking, James, and I suppose I'll have to, that's beautiful. Thank you, that's beautiful. And then I have a t-shirt. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I've not seen that. Oh, that's really beautiful, look. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's perfect. James, thank you. I love things like that. It's absolutely perfect. Thank you. Very lucky to have such a wonderful, wonderful friend. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed that. And when someone buys you things that are just perfect for you, you know, you really know that they know you, don't you? And that's just wonderful. James, thank you. I can't thank you enough. Go over to his channel, go and check him out, watch my video, and don't forget to subscribe to him. He's a lovely fella. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, James. Mwah! Taylor says it's allowed. Don't know if the girls will understand, but Taylor says it's allowed. Thank you, thanks. I hope you've enjoyed that. I really have. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. There's a link coming at the end of the video. And thank you so much for watching. Be good, be kind, and I'll see you really soon. Bye everyone, bye.